Hello, welcome back. Hope you are all doing well. Today we are taking a look at Sprezzabox for May 2018. With that all being said, let's get into it. And here we go. Two cards with some advertisement on them. Of course, the card with everything in this month's box. Got a Bedford and Broom necktie. Got a pair of Aristo tie check socks. Razor MD wood comb. A leather sunglass pouch by Blenders Eyewear. And of course, the Sprezza wristwatch. So I figured I would show you how to style this month's Sprezzabox. We started the shoes, a pair of brown double muck strap cap toes with the blue check socks, a pair of dark wash jeans, a gray vest with a simple blue button-down shirt, the check tie, and of course the wristwatch. So Sprezzabox is a monthly subscription box service at $28 a month that sends you varied men's accessories like ties, pocket squares, core socks, watches, and a few other things. Now the box value is always more than that $28 fee a month, and this month it is no different. May's box is valued at $124. Not a bad deal for only $28 a month. With that all being said, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell icon. It notifies you guys when I post new videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.